In this video, I'll guide you step by step through how to start an LLC in 2025. You'll learn everything you need to know, from choosing the right name for your LLC to filing the necessary documents and staying compliant with state regulations. We'll cover every important detail so you can confidently get your business off the ground. And here's a bonus. I'll show you how ZenBusiness can make this entire process quick, easy, and stress-free. Starting often comes with a long checklist: filing as an LLC with your state, assigning a registered agent, ongoing compliance, creating an operating agreement, and more. ZenBusiness takes care of the hard work so you can focus on doing what you love. And the best part? Their starter package begins at just $0 plus state fees, so ZenBusiness is accessible no matter your budget. They're the easiest all-in-one platform for forming and managing your LLC, backed by real professionals who make sure you are set up for success. Over 700,000 new businesses have been formed with award-winning customer service, A+ Better Business Bureau, and 4.8 out of 5 Trustpilot scores, and registered agents and worry-free compliance services. You can start fast with 1 day processing too. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to forming your LLC and all the tools you need to get started. So let's dive in. What exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or a limited liability company, is a business structure that combines some of the best features of a corporation and a sole proprietorship. It gives you personal asset protection, meaning your house, car, and savings are generally safe from business debts or lawsuits. At the same time, an LLC offers flexibility and potential tax advantages, like pass-through taxation. This means that your business income is reported on your personal tax return, so you avoid the double taxation that corporations face. For small business owners, freelancers, and side hustlers, this structure is often the perfect fit. Now, you might be wondering, who should start an LLC? If you're someone running a small business, managing a freelance career, or even turning a side hustle into a more formal operation, forming an LLC is likely the right move. Not only does it help protect your personal assets, but it also boosts your credibility with customers and clients. Think about it. Would you trust someone who is operating casually or someone who's made the effort to establish a formal business? An LLC shows professionalism, and in many cases, that can lead to more opportunities and higher earnings. Choosing a state for your LLC. When choosing a state to register your LLC, it's essential to evaluate a few key factors, such as local business laws, taxes, and fees. For most entrepreneurs, registering in your home state is the simplest and most practical option because it aligns with where you'll conduct the majority of your business. However, some states are especially attractive for non-residents due to their business-friendly policies. Delaware, for instance, is a popular choice because of its pro-business laws, efficient court system, and tax flexibility. It doesn't impose sales taxes on businesses registered in the state, and its Court of Chancery specializes in resolving business disputes efficiently, making it a favorite for companies of all sizes. Nevada is another common option, offering strong privacy protections for business owners. In Nevada, you aren't required to disclose the names of LLC members in public filings, which can be appealing for entrepreneurs seeking additional confidentiality. The state also has no corporate income or franchise taxes, further enhancing its appeal. That said, registering in a state other than where you primarily operate can require additional steps. For example, you may need to register as a foreign LLC in your home state, which means filing extra paperwork and paying additional fees. While the allure of states like Delaware or Nevada is strong for some, it's important to weigh these factors carefully. For most small businesses and local entrepreneurs, sticking to your home state remains the most cost-effective and straightforward choice. Now, let's talk about naming your LLC. Choosing the right name is a critical step because it sets the tone for your business and becomes part of your brand identity. You'll want a name that's unique, easy to remember, and complies with state laws. Most states require your LLC's name to include limited liability company or its abbreviations such as LLC. You'll also need to make sure your desired name isn't already in use by checking your state's business name database. If it's available, you might even consider reserving it with the state while you complete the registration process. And don't forget to check if the corresponding domain name is available so you can secure your online presence. Your business's name is often the first impression people get, so take your time to get it right. Another important requirement when forming an LLC is appointing a registered agent. This is a person or business responsible for receiving legal documents and official state correspondence on behalf of your business. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed and be available during all normal business hours. While you can act as your own registered agent, many business owners prefer to use a professional service like ZenBusiness to help ensure compliance with all guidelines and avoid mistakes and penalties. Once you've chosen a name and a registered agent, the next step is filing your articles of organization. This is the document that officially registers your LLC with the state. It typically includes details like your LLC's name, its physical address, and the names of its owners or members. You'll also need to provide information about your LLC's management structure, whether it will be member managed or manager managed. This document is filed with your state's Secretary of State office, and there's usually a filing fee which varies depending on where you're registering. The process might sound complicated, but here's where ZenBusiness makes life easier. They handle the paperwork for you, ensuring 100% accuracy, so you don't have to worry about making any mistakes. After your LLC is officially registered, you'll want to create an operating agreement. Although not required in every state, this document is incredibly valuable because it outlines how your business will operate. It details the ownership structure, defines roles and responsibilities, and sets the rules for things like profit distribution and decision making. Even if your LLC is just you, having an operating agreement helps establish your business as a legitimate entity and can prevent potential disputes in the future. The next step is obtaining an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. Think of an EIN as a social security number for your business. It's required for things like opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. Now, the good news is that you can apply for an EIN for free through the IRS website, and the process is relatively quick. Once your LLC is up and running, there are ongoing compliance requirements to keep it in good standing. These typically include filing annual or biannual reports with your state, paying any required fees, and ensuring your business licenses and permits are up to date. Now, compliance might sound daunting, but it's essential to avoid penalties or losing your LLC's protections. That's where ZenBusiness's worry-free compliance service comes in. It sends reminders and alerts and even handles annual reports and amendment filings on your behalf. Okay, so now that we've gone through the steps, let's talk about why starting an LLC is worth it. The biggest benefit is personal asset protection. With an LLC, your personal savings and assets are generally shielded from business liabilities. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially in today's unpredictable economy. Another advantage is tax flexibility. LLCs can choose how they want to be taxed, whether as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even a corporation, depending on what works best for your financial situation. And don't underestimate the power of credibility. Having LLC in your business name shows clients, customers, and potential partners that you are serious about your work. So, starting your LLC doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With ZenBusiness, the process is streamlined, affordable, and designed to set you up for success. From easy formation to ongoing compliance and transparent pricing, ZenBusiness stands out as the trusted partner for entrepreneurs like us. Whether you're starting your first business or expanding an existing one, they've got the tools, guidance, and support to help you thrive. Their starter package begins at just $0 plus state fees, making it accessible for entrepreneurs at any budget level. So, if you are ready to take the next step in your entrepreneurial journey, there is no better time to get started. Click the link in the description below to begin forming your LLC today with ZenBusiness. Their platform makes it simple to protect your personal assets, stay compliant, and focus on what you love, building your dream business. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.